Hey traders, what's up? This is Irvin here. Welcome to another weekly Forex forecast. Today we are going to be reviewing the week of December 13 to the 17, trading with our website tweforexsystem.com using our multiple time frame. Once again, welcome to our weekly Forex forecast. So let me go ahead and show you what this week is all gonna be all about. And remember one thing, guys, to everyone, if you want the best tips, tricks, and analysis here on our YouTube channel, make sure you do subscribe, hit the bell notification so you will be notified when we post brand new video. Stay with me to the end, guys. Even if you follow 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or whatever, how many pairs you are gonna be interested to look at it for this coming week. We're getting close to a Christmas time. So guys, I highly recommend everyone, it's better off if you scalp the market instead of being in a long term. Scalp the market, try to grab $300-400 a day, and you're gonna be good by the end of the week. So just a quick reminder. All right, so in here today we're gonna be reviewing, guys, our Euro USD. Euro USD is very nice. Pay close attention to our dashboard. Our dashboard is telling us what is happening already, what happens on Friday. So this is for next week. So Friday is game over, but now I'm just telling you what is gonna happen in the near future. Remember, what do we do here best? We like to give you data that does not exist yet. So like that, you can prepare yourself of what is coming for the next week. So far this month, guys, everything, all the analysis, the first 2 weeks that I gave you has been right on point. So I'm pretty amazed that even the month of December, we are doing amazingly fine. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is multiple time frame is letting us know here that we are in a buy position. Here's our white multiple time frame as well. Our blue multiple time frame, our TW sniper entry as well, letting us know that we are in a buy position. And look at what the trend is doing, guys. There's only one good trending here. The trending here is only going bullish. It's not doing anything else. It's not giving me signals saying, Irvin, you should be in a sell position. Work hard, RIB, drink, and also dream big. Never give up. Please never ever give up on learning how to trade, guys. You can use our multiple time frame to to push yourself to your limit, because if you don't push yourself to the limit, no one is gonna do it. So multiple time frame is what you need. Okay, so it's here, very straightforward, very easy. Look at here, we got a continuation. Look at here, buy and buy. So what I'm expected to see for this week, guys, what I'm expecting to see this coming week is market's still gonna be pushing, retesting this high here. Look, here's multiple time frame, a red arrow here, and then market's gonna make a small retracement. Then overall we going bullish. Okay, overall we are in a buy position. So Euro USD is clearly in a buy position. I did made a video, guys. If you haven't seen it, I made a video letting everybody know that the Euro USD was gonna be in a buy, and so far it's doing exactly what I told you. So there it is. So now you can see it. All right, so if you haven't seen that video, highly recommend you to watch it, so like that you don't ever miss anything from us. And remember, guys, it's very important for me to tell you about our Forex disclaimer here in our YouTube, guys. It's very important that you understand this, our Forex disclaimer, that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to make and squeeze hundreds of pips trading our multiple time frame. Please, guys, do not invest any money you cannot afford to lose. This business is very risky. You can win big, and also you can lose your fund. So we are running, guys, a 40% off. If you are interested on grabbing our multiple time frame, the code, it will be pasted on our description of this video. Make sure you watch it, so like that you can sign up and get your 40% off. So once again, we are doing our weekly Forex forecast. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week. So we are trading, guys, the week of December 13th to the 17th. So all right, so here it is, USD Canadian. I did also talk about this one, letting everybody know that USD Canadian, it is in a sell. It's a brand new trend, guys. So what am I seeing here, right? Pay close attention to the dashboard. The dashboard is giving you the answer of what is happening. It's saying, Irving, I'm in a bullish position. I'm buying this market. All right, so remember, without struggle, guys, success has no values. Please remember that. Yes, you can learn how to trade Forex. Yes, you can. You can use multiple time frames. You can use that code of 40% and you can sign up and get it. All right. So what I'm seeing here, guys, is the following. Multiple time frame is in a sell. Our TWE is also selling. But unfortunately, at this present time, the market is giving us a pullback. It's a pullback. It's a PV. So the market is giving us a pullback, saying, Irving, we are going on the other side of the aisle. So wait until the market gets fully ready for that sell position, because I want to be trading in favor of the trend. So the trend here is getting ready. I'm getting a heads up. Friday tried to close as a sell position, but it was not ready fully there yet. So the market still has potential, guys, to still pushing up another 15-20 more pips. So be patient. Maybe on Monday the signal is gonna get fully ready, and then boom, market will be dropping, retesting previous multiple time frame in here. Then it's gonna make a small retracement. All right, guys, do you guys have any question, guys? Anyone here has any question? Please let me know if you do have any question. And don't forget, guys, we are running the 40% off, so come and join us. And today we are doing our weekly Forex forecast. All right, so far so good. So hopefully this is gonna work out pretty amazing, guys. Remember, we love to give you data that does not exist. Do not allow anyone to teach you back data. They would say, oh yeah, you see this buy position, yes, you wouldn't make all the bullish, all this buy position here, boom. Oh, you see the sell position here, you wouldn't make all that money down. Oh, another buy here, you wouldn't make all bullshit, guys. Don't allow no one to teach you all data. All data does not work. Does not work. What it works is data that does not exist. This and this and this and this. That's what it works. Nothing else. You don't believe me? Well, I guarantee you that I'm gonna make money on the next movement here. I guarantee you, you will not make not even 1 cent in back data. I guarantee you that. But I guarantee you, I will make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips trading the future. All right, that's all I care. All right, let's move on to the next pair of the day. The next pair that I have for everyone here, it is Euro GBP. I've been calling Euro GBP for a long time, guys. I've been telling you already that our multiple time frame has been in a buy position, and it has been proven over and over and over again. The Euro GBP, it is in a buy position. Why is it in a buy position? But what is my real trend doing? Look at here, my favorite time frame is 1 hour. It's telling me, Irving, I'm in a sell position, I'm selling. But look, what is the real trend? Look at here, multiple time frame is here. Our Y multiple time frame is here as well. Our TWH sniper entry is here as well. Our blue also is here as well, letting me know, Irving, we are only going in one direction, and that direction, it is only bullish. Let me grab the arrow instead of the box. Look at this one. Boom. Market is only going one damn direction. Except that right now, what is the market doing? What is real data happening, guys? Remember, this is data that we are gonna see on Monday. What is happening real time right now as we speak? Right now the market is closed, but what we are seeing, guys, right now is the market is giving us a pullback. The market is taking a break. Remember, the market is always gonna be right, guys, no matter what, no matter who create what kind of system they create, the market is gonna do whatever it feels like doing. You can have the best setup waiting, but the market want to turn around and go in the wrong side of your setup, beat it, it will do it. So by at least by having someone on your side, you are, you know, preparing yourself with more educated trades. So like that, when you press buy or sell, you already know what to expect. It may not work, you know, 100%, but there's a possibility that it's gonna work. It could, you know, at the end of the week, you're gonna be in a winning trade. All right, so this pullback here is clearly coming down. So what I'm seeing here is market still has potential, guys, to retest this low here, coming back to your 38 Fibonacci level. Then from here, market will continue his origination. Remember, market here is clearly going bullish. So we are bullish in this trend. The market is gonna come back all the way, retesting. Well, look at here in the past. Now you can use the past. Look at here in the past. You can see there was previous support and resistance. Look at that, boom, boom, support and resistance. It's gonna come to this level here. Then the market will take another break. But overall, what I'm seeing here is the Euro GBP is right now is doing still on that pullback. Overall, market will continue the origination trend that we are supposed to be trading. All right. Don't forget, guys, if you are finding value of this video, it's very important for me and you. So go ahead, make sure you hit the bell so you will be notified when we post brand new video, because I'm making a lot of videos here with you. So all I want in favor, guys, is for you to hit the bell notification and subscribe to our channel and share this video with the world, so the world can make money at no extra charge. Because there will be a lot of company, guys, they will be charging you between $150 to maybe $300 a month just for them to give you what I'm giving you here at no charge. So all I'm asking in favor, once again, guys, is make sure you do subscribe, hit the bell notification, and so like that will stay attached. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair of the week. The next pair that I have for you guys, it is, oops, let me grab the right tool, because if I don't grab the right tool, it's never gonna change. Gbp USD. I also made a video on Gbp USD, letting the world know the Gbp USD it is going to be in a buy position. Hopefully you saw the video, guys. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you to see it. Let me see if I can bring the YouTube channel, right? So the one way that you can check us out, guys, is the following. You better believe that. That is one way. So you can Google us. Also, let me see here. Let's go to Google, right? I mean YouTube. So let me type the channel Team with Irvin. So like that, and then I'm gonna show it to you so you can see. Team with Irvin. There you go. So here's the video that you need to see. Watch right here. So watch this video, guys. This video is the one that I gave you. Let me go ahead and mute it. And here I talk about it. To be honest, I was talking about what? I was talking about Euro USD. Look at that, telling the world the market it was gonna be in a buy position. Also, I was talking about GBP USD, letting know everybody, look, this was on Friday, guys, letting everybody know that Euro USD and GBP USD was in a buy position. So if you haven't subscribed, highly recommend you to subscribe, so like that you will be up to today's day with our content. Okay, so I just released this few hours ago, and so on. All right, any question, guys? Any question? Let me know in the comment below. if you guys want me to make a specific video for you. But what I'm seeing here on GBP USD, guys, this is another reminder, is the multiple time frame. The market is new here, so we come into a new week. So what we are expecting to see here is the following. We officially are in a buy position right now. We are in a buy. So what I'm seeing here, is market is gonna do a small tiny retracement, retesting this low here, which is fine, and then we're gonna continue that bullish momentum. But we are expecting to see in here our TWE sniper entry to be fully forming here, and then we all gonna be going in one direction, which is bullish. So look at here. Look, I want you to see something. Let me make the chart smaller so you can understand it. I want guys, pay close attention to this one. No one in the world is gonna give you what I'm giving you here. There's no way nobody's gonna give. So this is what we're expecting to see here. We're expecting to see, we already have our multiple time frame, which is here, right? So what we're expecting to see here is we're expecting to see our TWE. Hold on, let me close this video. What we're expecting to see is we're expecting to see our TWE sniper entry to be formed, and oops, let me grab the right tool to form in here. Then we're gonna start seeing the stairs going where? Going bullish. There's nothing here yet. The market here is selling, guys. We're gonna review this video on Wednesday, and then you're gonna be surprised because we like to do the before and after. Then you're gonna see the stairs coming here going bullish, and then market's gonna be bullish. Period, guys. Like it or not, that's what the market is gonna do. All right, it's not 100%, but hey, it is what it is. If you guys are interested, guys, grabbing our multiple time frame, do it. You're gonna get 40% off. The system is pretty cheap anyway, plus adding the 40%, boom, it's a deal, guys. The 40% is good till January 10, 2022, so you don't have to get it today, but at least you know it. And today, guys, what we are doing, we are reviewing our Forex weekly forecast, or weekly Forex forecast for the week of December 13 to the 17th, trading multiple time frame system. And make sure you look for us on our website, our TWEforexsystem.com. All of our software are in there, so make sure you do sign up, guys. If you do sign up to any of the indicator, please let me know so I can give you access to a live training classes, okay, so you can get better off and so on. I want to thank everybody for being here. God bless you, God bless the world, and God bless your family, and God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Stay safe, and I love you all. Okay, take care. Peace out.